Good morning, fishermen. Here we are, Hamarana, just before the sun comes up. Let's go and get some fish. Rightio, fishermen, we've got a fish on. Pretty dark at the moment. One of the joys of getting up early and coming out for a fish first thing in the morning. Not bothered by too many people. But that's all good. Doing the old angry head shake. I'll be a bit upset too if someone stuck a 2-bar hook in my mouth. Come to Papa. Oh, cracker, what a great fish, look at that. Hey, perfect condition, 3.5, 4 pounds. First one for the morning. Choice, put it back. Either way.